How to add music to WhatsApp status. First of all, open the Instagram app. Slide to open the camera side. Take a photo. Click at the sticker option. Select music. Select the song. You can see the song playing on screen. Click on Done. Click on three dots. Click Save. Music video is saved to gallery now. Go back. Open WhatsApp. Go to Updates. Click on My Status. Select Video from Gallery. Play the music. That's how you can add music to WhatsApp status. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.